Hi, I'm WeatherWorks meteorologist Joe Martucci here with another edition of our Monday Mailbag. Happy 4th of July to you all on this holiday weekend. This question comes to us from Kayla A on Twitter, and Kayla asked, how does a cold front bring thunderstorms? Well, Kayla, we definitely appreciate the question. Thank you for sending it along our way. The second thing is, before we talk about thunderstorms, let's first define what a cold front is. And the American Meteorological Society says that a cold front is a front that moves so that colder air replaces the warmer air. And here is our image here. We see our warm air here, our cold air is here behind the front. Now, temperatures are in the 50s here ahead of the cold front, in the 40s and even the 20s behind the cold front here. Not a July 3rd cold front situation, but this is going to do the trick. This is what happened. Warm air rises above the cold air, and as it does, it condenses and forms rain clouds. And if we get a strong enough updraft, because if the cold front is strong enough, it'll produce these violent updrafts that shoot cloud tops way high in the sky, 30, 40, 50,000 feet. These form cumulonimbus clouds, also known as thunderstorm clouds. So it starts to rain and creates lightning as a result. Meanwhile, behind the cold front, we see sinking air that creates for nicer weather. Usually we see more sunshine and less clouds. And that's how we create a thunderstorm from a cold front. We can actually see here, this was from July 2nd. See temperatures out ahead of the cold front, which is right here streaking along the Great Lakes. They're in the 70s and 80s. Behind the cold front, it's in the 60s. Although it is in the 60s here where it's raining, that's just rain cool there. But the general gist is here. 70s and 80s ahead of the cold front, cooler behind the cold front. So thank you again, Kayla, for the question. We hope we were able to answer it for you. In the meanwhile, you can ask us questions for Monday Mailbag. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat, all at WeatherWorks, on Instagram at WeatherWorks LLC, or you can read our blog, www.weatherworksinc.com/warm-cold-front.